Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will learn how to draw a sitting cat. So here she is wearing a ribbon on her neck. We have done with the face and whiskers, the lower body and finally the tail. You can color it with your favorite colors. In this video, we will learn how to draw a baby elephant. You know, what is a baby elephant called? It is called a calf. So here we have done with the trunk, face, big ears, the lower body. You can color it with the grey color or black color. Here we have done. Here we will learn how to draw a furry kitten. We have drawn here a ribbon which is near the ear and the face cut. Now we'll go for the lower body part and we are going to draw this in very easy steps. You can color it this cute kitten with your favorite colors. Finally we are going for the whiskers. In this video, we will learn how to draw a turtle or a tortoise. Here we have drawn a circle and inside means the top of it, we will go for an hexagon. So it is completed. In this video, we will learn how to draw a man with the large spectacles. So here we have done the outlines and we are drawing now the specs. Now we'll go for the shirt or we can say the neck or the lower body part. So here you can see it's ready. In this video, we will learn how to draw a cute doll wearing a frock. So we have done with the round face and a bun. She has made a hair bun and a very beautiful frock in which you can color your favorite color. I will color it a pink color. What you will draw. So see, it's done. In this video, we will learn how to draw an Ultraman. Do you know who is Ultraman? Ultraman is a superhero. Yes, I do watch that cartoon. So here you can color it with your favorite colors. In this video, we will learn how to draw a scissor. Scissors are a thing which is generally in our home. Here we will learn how to draw a hand gesture of okay. Whenever you want to say someone okay, you do gesture like this. See, here it is completed. In this video, we will learn how to draw a king with another person who is wearing crown to the king. So here we have done the two persons. It's looking so cute. In this video, we will learn how to draw a bird in a very fast manner. See, it's done. It's completely done in easy steps. Here we'll learn how to draw paws of kitten. Paws of kitten are so soft and fluffy. So we'll go like this and we'll color it. Thank you for watching.